Carrie, are you sleeping? Your eyes are open though. You should shut your eyes if you're fake sleeping. Okay, night-night, buddy. Night-night.